There are places where time doesn't rush. It listens. The Withlacoochee has traveled far, carrying stories from wetlands, forests, and forgotten footsteps. It moves with patience, shaped by miles and memories. The Rainbow River begins differently, born from the earth itself, clear, cold, impossibly alive. A river that doesn't rush to become anything else, because it already is. One river tells stories of the land, the other whispers secrets of the deep. And here they meet. Not in conflict, not in haste, but in harmony. This is where journeys merge, where past and present flow side by side, where clarity meets experience, and neither is lost. The land remembers this place, the water remembers too. Somewhere between where we come from and where we're going, there's a place that reminds us everything is connected. This is Florida, not just seen, but felt. Flying high in Florida, bringing you closer to the places that make this state unforgettable.